Dear friends, welcome back. In this video, I'd like to continue Bandit series on the OverTheWire platform. The level I'm going to do will be level 12. Here's some description for this level. The password for the next level is stored in the file data.txt, where all lowercase and uppercase letters have been rotated by certain positions. So I think this is some sort of rotation, or to be specifically rotation or ROT13 encryption. And here is some more information about this encryption. It's very, simple and very easy to understand algorithm, which is a simple letter substitution cipher that replaces a letter with the 13th letter after it in the Latin alphabet. In this video, I not only explain what ROT13 encryption does, but also I will show you 3 different approaches to decode or to decrypt. And the most important of all would be using Python. To be honest, it's a bit out scope of this series, Bandit series. But as I mentioned over and over, we need to practice Python whenever possible. Okay? Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. You're greatly appreciated. So without further ado, let's just get started. We can head over to Kali Linux and we can SSH to the target. And it's asking us to supply the password for the current user, Bandit 11. No problem. We can paste it from clipboard. Hit enter. To get a bigger space on the screen, we can press keys Ctrl, Shift, and L at the same time. Okay, it's much better. Next, I'm going to run command ls together with options of A means all file, including all hidden files and directories, will be listed out. L, long list. H, human readable size format. Let's hit enter. I think we can notice immediately this file, data.txt file. Also, we know that the current user, Bandit 11, have read permission to this file. Next, we can run command file to retrieve its file type. Yeah, it's a ASCII text. Sorry, I'm not sure whether I pronounce it correctly. So we can use the cat command to grab its content. Apparently, this string is encoded, and to be more precise, is encoded by ROT13. So how the ROT13 encryption does? Before I recorded the video, this one, I've rewritten this alphabet, and also alongside, the decimal digits for each. I mean, here, this means the position for each letter in the alphabet. So what ROT13 encryption does, it will involve rotation. For example, A will rotate 13 positions to N, and B will rotate 13 positions to O. And in the position, we can add 13 in position number and D, C would be to Q. I think you have already got an idea. And it's the same for the uppercase, letters. However, the lowercase and uppercase letters are not continuous in the position. Okay, so we need to differentiate between the lowercase and the uppercase letters. Okay, I hope I've already explained ROT13 algorithm clearly. Then we need to utilize one important command, tr, for our purpose to decrypt this string. Tr command can translate, can squeeze, even can delete letters in the string. Let me explain and show you in action. For example, we can echo hello world. If you want to substitute or you want to uppercase letter to be lowercase, so how to do? We can pipe the output to tr command, and tr command can be followed by the loop. Okay, and I want to replace all uppercase from A all the way to the Z by lowercase from lowercase a to all the way to the Z. Okay, so now all uppercase letters will be substituted by all lowercases correspondingly. Okay, so now we can press enter. As you can see now, all uppercase have been substituted by lowercase correspondingly. Even, tr command can delete letters in the string. Let me use the similar string word 1, 2, 3, blah, 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 blah. This doesn't matter. And we need to use the option of -d, which means delete. If you want to remove all digits in the string, we can define the loop as from 0 all the way to the line. Okay, now all digits have been removed from the original string. So I think tr command is a so powerful text manipulation tool, like AWK, although they have different scenarios. Okay, so far I've already explained what tr command does. Next, let's come to decryption task. So how to do? We can cat data and use the pipe operator to, tr command. We need to define the loop, all case, all uppercase, from A to Z. Also the lowercase to the Z, we want to rotate. Okay, so how to do? The uppercase A would be uppercase N. Uppercase N to the Z, and then will be A to, uppercase A to the uppercase M, similar to the lowercase N, Z, okay, A hyphen M. Press enter. As you can see, we successfully decrypt the string. Okay, so not so complicated, right? Next, I'd like to show you a much easier way, which is CyberChef. We just copy the encrypted string and select operation ROT13, and then you can get the same result. Okay. Next, I'm going to demonstrate the key part of this video, which is Python. I'd like to use Python to decrypt the ROT13 encrypted string. Okay, very fantastic and not so difficult to understand. because I already explained the ROT13 algorithm clearly. Okay, so now we can create the file, go to new Python file. We can call it Decrypt ROT13, and maybe I can make the left part, the right part to be bigger. We can import the sys module. Maybe I can make the size of a font to be bigger. So the size, the editor, font, we can set it to 22, apply, okay. So you can see what's going on exactly. And we do not need to import anything else. First of all, I'd like to define the main function. Okay, and this function will, first of all, we need to receive the arguments, specify the user. So the text, we can use the sys module, a guide. This is the list. And the first element or the first object in this list would be the program itself. And the second one, of course, second one, index is 1, is the text which is required to decrypt. Okay, and now we can pass this text to function, and we can call it decrypt text or ROT13. We didn't define this function yet, text, and we can print out the result, and then we can run the function. Next, of course, the key part of this code would be this function. Let's define, the keyword is define, and decrypt ROT13, and we need to give the parameter text, okay, or placeholder. Next, first of all, we need to define the decrypt. Maybe result is okay, and the result is set to empty. Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention one thing. To decrypt or to make rotation of positions with letters, we can use the function of ORT. Sorry, not this one. We can use the ORT. For example, ORT A is the 97. If you end the ORT, and we can plus 13, and this would be new Unicode. And we can use its counterpart of function of ORT to convert back to the letter 110. Okay, so the N. So as you can see, the N can be rotated to the N. Okay, so we can take advantage of these two functions to decrypt. Okay, so now next we can loop over the text, the letter in text. And first of all, we need to get its Unicode. Unicode. I think we need to use a readable variable name. This would be a bit more readable, right? Anyway, by other guys. Now we can use the function ORT and the letter. Next, we need to tell difference between, the string would be, for example, would it be possibly uppercase, and also be lowercase. And also can be special character like space, like, the curly brace. And the ROT13 algorithm cannot apply to the special characters, okay, or letters. So we need to make a difference. So how to do? We can use the condition if letter Unicode is greater or equal ORT A and later Unicode is less and equal or equal ought the, and then we can update this Unicode by, so it means, also we need to make another condition. If later Unicode is greater than M, it means that the later is located in this part, and then its Unicode should minus 13, not plus. Okay, so minus 13, and then what I'm doing, and then we can later use this operator. So 13 else later Unicode can plus 13. Here we can make a comment. This means later is uppercase. Okay. Next, we can use if later. Maybe we can copy, right? We can copy, and we can change lowercase z, and we can put comment. This means later is lowercase, because uppercase and lowercase is not continuous in their Unicode. Okay, so this is the reason why we need to make a difference between lowercase and uppercase. And if maybe also we can copy this block over here, just to do some small changes, and else we do not need to I think we do not need to do anything else. Later, it's okay. Later Unicode, we do not change. Okay, and now it means, this means the later is special character which cannot be encrypted, okay, by ROT13. I think we do not need to use this part. Okay, not necessary. So next we can concatenate the result or letters. So we can use char. Okay, and then we can return result. I think that's it for this function. We can remove line breaks, too many line breaks, sorry. Okay, so now I think now we can run it to see whether we can get correct result. It's disconnected, but this doesn't matter. we can decrypt, and we need to pass the argument. As you can see, we get the same result, right? So this is a fantastic. In this video, the key part is to use Python to decrypt ROT13 encrypted string. So that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day, please.